So India's Chandrayaan 3 is about to land on the surface of Moon. It's a great day for us because Chandrayaan series of missions to Moon have been remarkably successful. The first Chandrayaan mission showed that there is water on the Moon and conclusively established that there is water on the Moon. Since then, Chandrayaan 2 was supposed to put a lander in the southern pole where there is a lot of water. For some reason, things didn't work out properly. But the modular mission, the one that was going around the Moon itself, has been remarkably successful and have worked extremely well. To the extent that Chandrayaan 3 does not even have an orbiter. It is going to use Chandrayaan 2 orbiter to communicate with the Earth and to tell us about all the data that it will generate and all the new understanding that will develop about the Moon. All the previous successful missions on the Moon have landed on the equator, which is smooth and therefore easy to land on. But the poles are very erratic. There are lots of mountains there. There are a lot of meteor impact craters there, and therefore the surface is dangerously uneven. To give you an idea about how difficult it is to land on the Moon, you can see that the Russians, with so much of experience, did not succeed in landing a mission and Luna 25 on the Moon. So ISRO has a great challenge ahead of it. They have learned a lot from the past mistakes. They have learned a lot from the last experiences. And now we are about to see what I'm sure will be a very successful landing on the surface of Mars on 23rd of August. And once it lands there, the lander and rover will give us phenomenal amount of data about the water, which will be crucial to any human habitation on the Moon. So in many ways, a major landmark in human exploration of Moon is about to be reached, where Chandrayaan will help us identify water sources and other minerals in the southern pole zone, something that has never been done before and something that will be critical for human habitation of the Moon. So we are looking forward to one more great success from ISRO in the coming days.
Yeah, definitely. All our staff of Nehru Science Center, they are very excited to have this occasion. And for that, we have done some special arrangement on 23rd for the visitors of Nehru Science Center. We are going to have a model making, that paper model making of Chandrayaan 3. Some expert will be called, and the students, about 50 students, they'll be participating in making the Chandrayaan with their own hands. So they will get a touch of the Chandrayaan, how the Chandrayaan look like. And then we have invited Professor Vahia, who is a former scientist from TIFR. He will be here in auditorium to interact with a gathering of about 400 people. So we have got a tremendous response, but since we had a limitation on the auditorium capacity, we cannot accommodate more than 400 people. So we are very eager to have this occasion and hope Chandrayaan 3 will be landing
last time for some
successfully.
Reason we could not be successful last time, but this time several modifications have been done and scientists are quite sure that this time it will be successful for a soft landing.
Yeah, scientists are very sure, and I hope landing will be successful, but as we know, science never fails, but technology, still there are chances. So let's keep our finger crossed and hope that technology, whatever changes were made, those will end up with a very successful landing.
Russia was also trying to have a soft landing of their Luna, but for some reason it could not be successful and it blasted yesterday. So has it impacted our Chandrayaan in any way?
See, I just cannot comment much on this, but still we will say that they had a different technology because their payload was less, like it moved very fastly, right? But Chandrayaan 3 definitely ISRO had done in a different way. So hope different technologies will definitely lead to different results.
So can we say that you are quite hopeful and sure about landing, soft landing?
Yes, very hopeful, and all Indians should be hopeful, right? Make in India, Mera Bharat Mahan.